Hello everyone, welcome back or to my channel. As you can see by the title of the video, this is going to be a pack and travel with me to Ecuador vlog. I'm super excited to go on this trip because that is actually where my dad's side of my family is from. So I'm going to be seeing a lot of family that I haven't seen in a super long time, and just being able to spend time with them is going to be super awesome. And it's going to be a really short trip. It's actually only like 3 days in Ecuador. And I actually don't leave till Friday, but I have to go home tonight. It's like an hour-and-a-half drive, so I have to have everything ready. Oh, by the way, it's Wednesday. I have to have everything ready tonight by 8 p.m. We're gonna try on outfits, we're gonna pack, we're going to clean, and we're going to spend as much time with my cats as I can because I'm gonna miss them so much. I'm gonna be gone for like a week fully. So come along with me. Let's get this packing done. I've been procrastinating this for the longest time, like actually. So let's go get this done. Okay, let's go try on some outfits that I'm gonna wear. Just for some context, I'm gonna be doing like a lot of walking around. We're also gonna do a really big event for my great grandma for her Mother's Day. So I have to have a really like elegant dress for that I'm gonna be trying on as well, just to make sure everything looks good. The progress I've made of putting all my clothes out just across my bed. This is very organized. So for my shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to be using these Method Travel little bottles I got from Target. Oh my god, if I could like hold. There we go. I also got this bag from Amazon. It like folds into each other. I've used it a few times and it's really great. It keeps so much stuff together. Guys, we're making pretty good progress. My carry-on is done and my backpack is done. I just have to finish packing for my parents' house that I'm spending 2 nights at. And then I think I'm pretty much good with my packing. I just have to focus on cleaning and stuff after that, but I'm almost done. I forgot to record like everything yesterday for when I was driving. But I got to my parents' house. Now I'm here, and then we leave tomorrow morning. If you're watching this video, I forgot to film an outro. I am officially in Ecuador now. I really hope you guys like this video, and I hope you subscribe because in my next video, it'll be my actual trip to Ecuador. So I hope you guys can see that soon. And yeah, give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.